Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nimalan. No, should not say it as T. Cat. 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 Ah.
Bat.
Bat. Hmm. Hmm. Bat. Her at hat. Good. Next. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. Fat. Next. Hmm. Hmm. Next. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Okay, next is Adya Sharma. Adya.
Ma'am, you asked me.
Yeah. Come on, Adya. Read the words.
Hello. What's it? Read words. Read words. Just 5 minutes, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, next is
Adya.
Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the words, add words.
Ma'am.
No, not like that. Not like that. Blend it. Blend and read. At cat. At bat.
Mat.
Loudly. Loud.
Lat. Bat.
Hmm.
Cat.
Very good. Good. Hat. Good. Fat.
That's it, ma'am.
That's it. Very good. Okay. Next is Nakshatra.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது படிச்சு சொல்லுங்க அதான் சொல்றேன்.
Nakshatra, don't play, Nakshatra. Everyone are waiting, right? Come on, read fast.
B-A-T-L. Bat. Sound சொல்லுங்க. Next.
Good. Next.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma.
M phonics sound.
Mat.
Next. AT என்னது? சார் blend பண்ணுங்க.
At.
Rat.
At.
Next. Correct.
ம்
அது சொல்லு.
at fat. Yes, good morning, Madhuvanti. At fat. Yes, good morning. Per at pat. Very good. Thank you, Manakshatra. Next is Sara. Sara.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read the words. At words.
At words. Read. What is this? Huh? Sattama. Sound. அது என்னன்னு பார்த்து come on.
Good morning, Ma. Shavanya.
Okay, next one. இங்க பாரு. Very good. This one. No, check for the sounds. Ma. Mara, stop playing. Be loud. Next sound. Pizza. At. No.
Come on.
Pat. Pat your shoulder. Yeah. Next word. Okay. Next word. Sound of R. Very good. Yeah.
Very good, Sara. Good. Well done. Next is Nimalan. Welcome, Sara. Nimalan.
நிம்மலன் நீதானா? சொல்லு, கை வச்சு சொல்லு. சொல்லு.
நிமலன்.
நிம்மலன் நீங்க பாரு. சொல்லு, மேம் உன்னை தான் கேக்குறாங்க. சொல்லு.
Cat. Bat.
என்னது படி? H. சத்தமா சொல்லு.
At. Isat. S. M. At. Am.
Am இல்ல mat.
M at la. At mat.
Mat.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Rat. At.
I.
F. At. F.
Fat.
No. Sat. At. Sat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Ma. Next is Shavanya. After Shavanya, if Adya is ready, she can read out.
Amma.
Yes, Shavanya, come on.
She don't know, ma'am. She didn't attend the couple of
Friday's
classes.
class. At words. Come on, you write it one time, Shavanya's mom. I'll tell her how to blend the songs, okay? First word is cat. At. Cut sound separately and at sound separately. At cat. At bat.
Same.
Hat. Fat. Hat. Hat. Yes. Hat. Mat. Five words copy down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, Pravina and Pranavi. At. Pat. At. Pat. At. Rat. At. Sat. At. Sat.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Finished? Now, parents, I want you to write all these blending sounds in this way. Take a fresh page. Take a fresh page and write those blendings. So we have written at words, no? We are going to write it in this way. B plus at, B plus at gives bat. Parents can write and give this to your children. The same way, cat and all those words that you have written in your notebook. And next is hat. Fat. Like this, all those 8 words or 7 words what you have written, separate it like this. Children, the way you should read is B at bat, K at cat, H at hat, at fat. Okay? Once we start a session after Kids Anthem, again we'll have this recap. Whatever words you have written in at words, mat, rat, pat, sat, all those words, you split it like this. Write it in their notebook itself, parents. No need to write in the slate. Yes, Pranavi and Pravina, ask your brother to write in a fresh page like this.
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
At words you have written on Friday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That words you have to split it like this.
Okay, ma'am.
All the
In
words
slate?
you split like
Ma'am, in
this and
slate
write
or book?
notebook, not in
Okay.
the slate. Finish? Yes, let your parents write, children. We'll start our session. Come on, stand up all of you. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Nimalan Kidzi Anthem.
Kidzi Anthem, you are within me. You are infinite. You are moonlight. My potential inside. You are
the wings.
Beneath my stairs, you define me. My potential inside. Today, please, all my might, I serve to you. All my might.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Yes, very good. Good morning, everyone. Yes, very good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop!
Very good, children. I want all of you to go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance.
Ma'am, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Matilakar. Adya. Adya. Here I am, Adya. Adya Sharma. We are almost in our second term. Still you have a doubt. Come on, answer.
You can hear her?
Adya. Okay, marking you, Adya. Ilango. Ilango. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Kevin. Kevin.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin.
Here I am, Marilla, ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Yes, Sarah.
Here I am, Marilla, ma'am.
Very good, Sarah. Pravina. Pravina. Pranavi. Pravina and Pranavi, don't play with your mic. Come on, answer. Ravina and Pranavi. Okay, marking you both of you, Srinija.
Here I am, Belina, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. Kadambari.
I am.
Yes, very good, Kadambari.
I am.
Very good, ma.
Here
Shavanya.
I am.
Very good, Shavanya. Mokshita.
Here
Mokshita.
I am, Belina, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. Yes, very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti.
Here I am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Only Ilango is absent today. Very good.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, Adya's mom, I can hear you.
Okay.
1 minute. Adya.
Now bolo, Apollo, here I am. As she spoke at that time, there was some sound issue.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I've marked Adya anyhow. Okay, next we'll move on to our rhymes part, children. So first time is over rhyme. Today everyone have to send an audio of over rhymes to me, children. Okay, record the audio of over rhymes and send it in group. Okay. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where can he be? Next rhyme is under a web. Okay, under a web, beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay, next we'll move on to our rote counting, children. First, Adarsh. Adarsh. Is Adarsh there? 1 to 10, Adarsh. 1 to 10, Adarsh. Numbers from 1 to 10. Adarsh. 10. Very good. Well done, Adarsh. Next, 11 to 20, Adya Sharma. 11 to 20.
Chalo, bolo 11.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Very good. Thank you, Adya. Next is from 21 to 30, Shravanya. 21 to 30. 21. Unmute yourself and say Shravanya. Not able to hear Shravanya. Okay. Riyasri, 21 to 30. Riyasri, 21.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29,
30. Very good. From 31 to 40, Kevin. Kevin from 31 to 40.
and
Kevin.
31,
Hmm.
30,
Hmm.
35,
Huh?
33,
Look at my finger. From the beginning, 31. Look at my finger. 31.
31,
Hmm.
32,
Hmm.
35,
33.
33,
Hmm. 34.
34,
35.
35,
36.
36,
37.
38,
Ah.
39,
Hmm.
40.
40.
40.
Very good. From 41 to 50, Nitish. 41.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
50.
70.
50.
60.
Very good. Next from 51 to 60, Sara. 51.
Ready?
51,
Hmm.
52,
Hmm.
53, 54, 55,
56.
56.
51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60.
60.
60. Very good, Sara. Next, 61 to 70, Srinija.
Okay, ma'am.
Kadambari,
61,
be ready.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67,
66.
67, 68, 69,
70.
70.
Very good. Kadambari. Kadambari is not there. Okay, Nimalan, 71 to 80. Yeah, I'll call you Mokshita. 71 to 80.
71, 72, 73, 74, 20, 25,
75.
25,
75.
26,
76. 76.
76, 77, 78, 77,
80. Okay, 81 to 90, Kadambari.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89,
89. 90. Very good. From 91 to 100, Mokshita. 91.
31,
91. 91.
92,
Hmm.
93,
Hmm.
94,
Hmm.
95,
Hmm.
96,
96. 97.
97,
Hmm.
98,
98.
99,
100. Very good. Now all of you go bring your ball, children. Bring your ball, big size ball.
Madam, what about the Madhuvanti? Madhuvanti கூப்பிடவே மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க எடுத்துக்கோங்கன்னா காசு. Madam,
Sorry. Hello, who's this?
you are always leaving her.
Yes, Tilakar. Did you call me Tilakar? When I'm calling, you are not at all being in your place. Then how come you want
Madam,
me to call you?
மேடம் ஏன் வந்து மதுவந்தியை விட்டுட்டே போயிருக்கீங்க அடிக்கடி? அவளை கேட்கவே இல்லையா மேடம்? ஏன்
மதுவந்தி. மதுவந்தியா? மதுவந்தி 1 to 100 தான் மதுவந்தி. அடுத்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி மதுவந்திக்கு கொடுக்க போறேன்.
எப்ப ஆக்டிவிட்டி எல்லாம் கொடுத்தோனே she is waiting for a long time.
She is waiting only. I often call Madhuvanti.
No, you never call him.
No, I remember I call Madhuvanti at any identification activity. No, I will never accept that. I will never accept.
That is not good. You give equal opportunity to all students.
See, every child has to get every chance for all the activity. Even if we are missing in one activity, other activity, they will be getting the same choice. Okay, so please don't get agitated. Sorry? If you want to talk anything, you can talk after the session, sir. I'll wait for you. Okay? Thank you so much. Now, children, I want you to bring your ball, children. Yes, bring your ball, bounce and catch it. Bounce and catch it, children. Bounce and catch it for 5 times. Yes, one. Bounce it on the floor and then you catch it, children. Bounce it and catch it. Don't leave the ball. Bounce and catch it. Yes, very good. Good, Nakshatra, good. Come on, try, children. Slowly you do it. Yes, Pranavi and Pravina, where is your ball, children, both of you? Go bring your ball, bounce and catch it. Tilakar also, go bring your ball, Tilakar. Madhuvanti's grandparents, I request you to wait after the session. I am ready to talk with you. Please, you can wait after the...
Please.
Whatever concerns you have, you can talk with me after the session. I will be waiting for you. Okay? Please wait after the session. I will be clarifying all the doubts what you have. Okay? Thank you so much. Bring your ball, bounce and catch it. Where is your ball, Madhuvanti? It's very good, Kevin. Yes, very good. Srinija, good. Adya, bounce and catch the ball, Adya. You should not leave the ball. Bounce and again you have to catch it. Nitish, do one more time, Nitish. It's very good, Nakshatra, good. Those are finished for 5 times, can sit in your place. Yes, Kevin can sit, Nakshatra, very good. Srinija also can sit, finished.
Adya will never finish, ma'am.
Slowly, Adya, whenever she is free, you just teach her how to bounce and catch it again.
She won't do it. It's not like a boy.
Okay, no problem. She'll catch it later. It will take some time, no problem. Yes, come on, do it, Madhuvanti. Shravanya also do it. Don't throw it up, Shravanya. Bounce it. Kila potu bounce panni pudinga. Yeah, try it, ma, Shravanya. Yes, very good, ma. Kadambari can sit. Sara also. How will it bounce, ma? Nimalan, if you are throwing the ball on the bed, how will it bounce? If you are throwing it on the floor only, it will bounce back, right? It's very good. Okay, children. Now keep your balls back. Keep your balls back. Sit in your places. If you want to drink water, you can drink. Or else sit in your places. Keep the ball back. Sit down, all of you. Today we are going to learn about a new concept. So far we have learned about animals, right? Today we are going to learn about birds. Okay, so what are all the birds you know, children? உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் birds தெரியும்? Come on, tell me. What are all the birds you know one by one? Yes, peacock. Yes, peacock. Crow, parrot. Yes. Flamingo. Very good. Well done. Okay. Video. Okay. Okay. What the birds will do? They will run on the floor. Have you seen birds? How they move? They will fly. Very good. How they will fly? They will use their wings to fly. Okay, they will use their wings to fly. Now I want all of you to show me how the birds will fly. Come on, move from your place and show me how they will fly. Fly like a bird, all of you. Let me see. How will you fly? Fly. How will you fly? How the birds will flap their wings and fly. Fly, fly, fly. Yes? Yeah, very good. Okay, sit down, children. Today we are going to learn about birds. Birds have a pair of wings, a big pair of eyes. Okay, so with the wings only, they fly high in the sky. They do not walk like farm animals or wild animals, or they don't know to swim in water. They used to fly in the sky. There are some birds, they swim in the water like duck and all. Duck, swan, all these birds, they used to move in water, but many of the birds, they used to fly in the sky only. Okay, so let's see some birds. So the first bird here you have is sparrow. All of you look at the screen, children. Sparrow. What bird is this? Yes? What bird is this? Peacock. Very good. Peacock. What bird is this? Eagle. Very good. Eagle. Next. Next. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Flamingo. Next. Parrot. And the next one is parakeet. Okay. Parrot is green in color, but parakeet has many colors on its body. You can see. See here, parrot is only green in color, but this parakeet is in different colors. So it is called as parakeet.
One parrot.
You have a parrot. Very good, Shravanya. Yeah, next. Owl. Can you see the eyes of the owl? How big it is? Owl. Next. Kingfisher. What bird is this? Kingfisher. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon, you can see in the flats and all, there will be more pigeon. Pigeon. And this is vulture. Vulture. Yes, vulture. Crane. Crane. Yes, crane. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Okay, so all these birds can fly in the sky, children, and there are very few birds that cannot fly. Okay, birds can fly in the sky, but there are few birds that cannot fly. So now we are going to see some of the flightless bird. Flightless bird na ennadu parakka mudiyadhu. They cannot fly. Those are called as flightless birds. So next we are going to see the flightless birds. Flightless birds na parakka mudiyadhu. They will not fly like other birds. Okay. So first is penguin. Penguin, and the next is kiwi. Kiwi. These birds, they cannot fly, children. Penguin, kiwi, ostrich, emu. Ostrich, emu. Okay, these birds are too heavy, so they cannot fly high in the sky. Okay, so these are the 4 flightless birds. So what are all the flightless bird? Flightless bird, na, they cannot fly. Parakka mudiyadhu and the birds alla. Okay, so first bird is penguin, second is kiwi, third is ostrich, and the fourth one is emu. So these 4 birds are flightless birds. Once again, we'll have a small recap of the birds we have learned so far. Woodpecker, crane, vulture, pigeon, kingfisher, owl, parrot, parakeet, flamingo, eagle, peacock, sparrow. So all these are birds that can fly, and the 4 flightless birds are penguin, kiwi, ostrich and emu. And now we are going to see the parts of the birds, body parts of the birds. Here, head. Can you see the head of the bird here? This is the head. And next is eye. Here you have the eye. Eyes, like how you have two eyes, birds also have two eyes, okay? And then this is the beak. We have separately nose and mouth, right, children? But the birds, they have the nose as well as the mouth is their beak. Okay, they breathe and they eat through the beak only. Okay, this is the beak. It is very hard so that it can break all the fruits or vegetables or whatever it is easily. And next is the wings. Wings inga irukku parunga. This is the wings. And next is the tail. Here tail feather you have. This is the tail and this is the legs. This is the legs. Okay, children. So these are the body parts of a bird. Now I want you to take your worksheet D78 CT. It will be in workbook number 3. Workbook number 3.
Ma'am, what page, ma'am?
Workbook number 3, you will have this worksheet number D78. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 25-25-10-2121. Write today's date, children, first. Is number 1, eyes. Can you see the eyes of the bird? So in that box you are going to write number 1.
Ma'am, can you repeat the page number, ma'am?
D78, it will be in workbook number 3. It will not be in workbook number 2. Workbook number 3. Eyes, D78 CT.
Change. Eyes.
Eyes, number 1. Beak, number 2. And then head, number 3. Head. And then number 4, wings. And number 5 is tail. Finish. Number 1, head. Number 2, beak. Number 3. Sorry, number 1 is eyes. Number 2, beak. Number 3, head. Number 4, wings. Number 5, tail. Finish, children?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good children. Next worksheet is D76 CT. It will be in your workbook number 2, children. D76 CT. We are going to circle the odd one out. Odd one means the different bird in each row. D76 CT. It will be in workbook number 2. First row you have pigeon, woodpecker, pigeon, pigeon. So different one is woodpecker. Why? Because all the other birds are pigeon here. Yes, Adya's mom?
Number, page number?
D76 CT. Workbook number 2. Not in workbook number 3. You can close your workbook number 2 and keep it aside because one worksheet only is there in that. Other worksheets will finish up in workbook number 2 itself.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, good, ma.
Ma'am,
Srividya.
can you hear us? Hello.
Yes, ma. Tell me.
Ma'am, we have a network issue so that our system has hanged. Ma'am, what page number you told?
Have you finished worksheet number D78? The next worksheet is D76 in workbook number 2, but D78 worksheet will be in workbook number 3.
Okay, ma'am. The first parrot page we finished. Now we are doing this, ma'am.
This worksheet, okay, fine. See the different one in each row and circle, children.
Ma'am, next, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. Let others finish.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who have finished, take worksheet number D77LT. And 4 colors, purple, yellow, red and green. So S, you have 3 flowers here and leaves here. So S flower you will be giving purple color. U letter flower you will be giving yellow color. Sorry, T letter flower. And U you will be giving red. V, that is the leaves of the plants, you will be giving green, light green or dark green. Whatever green you have, you can use it. Start coloring, children. The full flower you have to color, children. S letter flower you have. The full flower, color it with purple color. T letter flower, you color it with yellow. U letter flower, you color it with red. And V is given for the leaves. So color it with green. D77LT. Worksheet number is D77LT. Color it slowly inside the boundary, children. Finish. Very good, ma. Others finish. Others, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you written in that English notebook at cat, at bat and all?
Yes, ma'am. Like this only, no, ma'am.
In this way you have written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Will he able to say these words now?
No.
Yes, very good, ma. Yes. If he is not able to say also, the way you have to give him practice is B. The phonic sound of B is B. AT is at. B at bat. And the mari solli kodu. Okay, so take your time. By this week, let me see how far he is able to come up with these words. Okay? Take this whole week. On Friday, I'll check how he is able to read these words. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Kevin. Tilakar, finish. Tilakar.
2 hours. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, finish, Tilakar. Have you written like this in your notebook?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, read this. Nova. Tilakar's mom.
Finish, ma'am.
அதை பார்த்து படிக்க சொல்லுங்க. Bat. Cat. Good. Next one. Her. At. Hat. Fat. For at fat. Finish? Only for other letters, other words only you didn't write. Tilaka's mom.
Ma'am, other letter enna ma'am?
Mat, pat, rat, sat inu 4 இருக்கே.
ஓ நான் இது மட்டும் தான் எழுதி காப்பி பண்ணேன்.
சரி அது எழுதி கொடுங்க நான் அப்புறமா இன்னொரு நாள் கேக்குறேன் சரிங்களா?
ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay, fine. Next, who else I left out? Chitra finish. Kevin. Hat. Next word. Hat. Bat. Hat. Cat. Cat. Next one. For at fat. Only one more. For at fat. At fat. Fat. Very good, Kevin. You need to practice more, Kevin. Okay. Next. Yes. Next is Madhuvanti. Blending sounds. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, unmute yourself. Madhuvanti, I can't hear you what you are saying.
Yes, ma'am.
Blend the words that you have written in your notebook. Add words.
படிக்க போறாங்க பாரு. teacher. Come on.
Not cat, at cat.
அடுத்தது என்னன்னு சொல்லிக்கிறேன்.
Next.
நீ ஒண்ணுமே சொல்லாம இருந்தீங்கன்னா அப்புறம் எப்படி அவங்க சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க உனக்கு? அப்புறம் எங்க கூப்பிடுனாங்கறியா? இதுல உள்ளது சொல்லு.
Next. Good. Next. Good. Next. Good. Next. Good, Madhvanti. Next. Next. Good. That's it. Yes, good, Madhvanti. Thank you so much. Everyone have finished your worksheet? Yeah, I saw Madhvanti. Good. Next. Children, everyone has finished your worksheet.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Today, the homework worksheet I'm going to tell you, it is number 56 and 57 in worksheet number D75 MT. Sorry, 56, sorry, 55 and 56. Math worksheet D75 MT. Okay, that will be your homework 55 and 56. This page will be your homework, children. Note it down, do it and send it in group. Okay, thanks. D75 MT.
Workbook.
Yeah, 2.